What is digital marketing and why do you need it as a small business owner? Now, the goal for every business, whether big or small, is to constantly attract customers and, in the end, make a profit. But small businesses may be at a disadvantage, especially if they don't use all the right strategies available. Luckily, digital marketing is a tool that can give small businesses an edge against bigger and more financed companies. Now, since the world has become a global village, almost everything is done online now, from communicating with people in other parts of the world to even grocery shopping online. The world has moved online to the extent that 87% of buyers actually begin their search for products that they want to buy online. So if your buyers are online, then you should invest more in digital marketing. Although small businesses can use many offline or traditional advertising methods, they should combine a healthy amount of digital marketing methods, as it really will help you be more successful and make more money. Now, digital marketing is, just as the name connotes, it refers to the marketing strategies that take place online or on digital platforms. Now, of course, there are so many digital marketing strategies and techniques out there. However, the strategy that you choose should rest on the kind of products and services that you offer. As a small business, you need to take a look at your customers and find out where they spend most of their time online. This affects the kind of digital marketing strategies that you need to go after. Now, with digital marketing, small businesses get a chance to fight fairly against big companies. It also helps small businesses to stay current with all the digital trends and at the same time appeal to a wider audience. Now, let's take a look at some of the digital marketing strategies that there are and their benefits. You might have heard of search engine optimization, which is a very important aspect of marketing that greatly profits small businesses. SEO is a series of tactics that marketers use to gain higher placement on search results pages so that they can draw traffic to their websites. Now, since many people use search to actually check out a product or service before engaging, it is vital to use keywords and optimize your content so that it actually produces high quality and offer relevant information to potential consumers. Now, if your website can rank higher on search engine results pages, it will give your small business the chance to compete with bigger and more financed companies. Content marketing. In the world today, information is power. Now, if your customers have more information about your product or service, it gives them a better chance of patronizing your business and recommending it to others. Now, this strategy has to do with giving your customers relevant information about what you are selling. Now, create content that shows off your business values and distribute the content through a wide range of online channels. Social media has proven to be an excellent way in which business owners can connect with customers and new prospects. Now, the purpose of social media in business is to attract, engage and retain customers. It's also a platform to listen to your customers and give proper feedback. Now, interestingly, as much as social media is one of the most popular strategies to use, some businesses still find it quite difficult to integrate it into their business. Now, this is why the kind of media that you use should depend on the type of business that you have. Email marketing. Now, this is another digital marketing strategy that is imperative for a small business. Now, email marketing is about promoting your product or service electronically using newsletters and promotions or general messaging through email. However, it does depend on building a list of prospective customers and current ones. Now, it is also a cost-effective strategy that takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. Now, email marketing is quite easy to manage. It gives you full control and you are able to have direct contact with your customers. And as your email list grows, the more it becomes more valuable. Now, there are many more digital strategies that small businesses can employ, such as mobile marketing or pay-per-click marketing and even local search marketing. But let's take a look at some of the benefits of digital marketing. One, it helps to build a great brand. Now, branding is the best way to define and make your business stand out not only to yourself, but to your target audience. There has to be a unique selling point that will entice customers to choose your brand instead of another. Now, through your website or social media content, you can design an online strategy that will help you build your brand personality. Also, all your platforms can be shaped to attract your desired audience by using the right brand colours and the right content. 2, it is smart and cheaper. Since there are now over 3.6 billion people who use the internet, it is only wise that you target your business there, especially for small businesses, as it is an opportunity to reach a massive global audience. And a digital marketing campaign will require a smaller budget than when you use a traditional or physical campaign. Now, with digital marketing, you can use the smallest of resources to reach 1 billion people. Digital marketing is also ideal for startups or small businesses because it offers owners room and resources to develop your businesses. 3, it improves customer interaction and relationships. With digital marketing, communication between owners and clients can become closer and even more personalised thanks to all the tools that are available for customers to interact with businesses. Also, businesses can use this relationship to improve their customers' experience and build their trust and loyalty. It's pretty simple. If businesses can build good relationships and be interactive with their customers, the business will grow. 4, it provides ease of measurement. Now, one great benefit of using digital marketing is that it makes it easy to actually track your business traffic and even monitor consumer behaviour. With tools like Google Analytics that can help you to view exactly how traffic comes and goes on your page, it can help you determine what strategies and platforms to best focus your attention on and what content to consistently put out there. 5, it helps to reach your revenue targets. Digital marketing campaigns reach a wider audience, and so they're not actually limited to only local customers. With customers from different parts of the world, you can meet your revenue goals a lot easier. Just choose the right digital channel for your product or service and build your online presence. Now, this way you will be able to draw traffic to your page, increase your productivity and reach your revenue goals. Show me the money! Digital marketing is a very powerful strategy that can help your small business grow and give you an edge against bigger companies or even the competition. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell to make sure you don't miss another upload. Another upload. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.